At the airport, hello had been enough. At a hotel desk, it was only the beginning. At the front desk, he only needed one simple new idea. He had a reservation.
我有预订。
你好，我有预订。
好的，请出示你的护照。
The receptionist introduced the next new Chinese, but the situation made it easy to understand she wanted his passport. He knew what to do. He only needed 2 new words while handing it over.
给你。
给你。
请问您叫什么名字？
She was asking for his name. David could already say, I am called David, at a service desk. He now upgraded to a clearer version.
我的名字是 David。
我的名字是 David。
好的，
谢谢。
Old greeting, new booking, new passport action, upgraded name line. David was no longer learning every sentence from scratch. With the room card in hand, David can finally leave his suitcase in the room and go back out into Beijing.
我有预订。给你。我的名字是 David。
谢谢。
Next, David leaves his luggage at the hotel and goes out to buy water.